right, today I'm going to show you how to use a AdTech 2-temp dual temperature glue gun. It's very simple. First of all, it's electric. You got to plug it in. So you got to plug. You got to find a plug thing to put it in, and we're going to put it right here. Plug the baby in. Make sure you do it right. Then you got to give it a couple seconds to warm up. And as soon as it warms up, I'm going to show you how it works. These are the glue sticks. You can see they're really hard and a little bit flexible. And when you're out of the glue stick, you're going to put it right down this little hole right here. If you can see the stick right there. And it goes down into this end chamber where it heats it up and melts it. And it comes out that end. We're going to give it a couple more seconds, and then we're going to be ready to go. And I'm going to make a little cross like this, just to show you how it works, so you can see how you can glue stuff. At the bottom of it, there's a hot and cold. I've got it on super hot, so it cooks up really quick. So you want to put it on hot. If you put it on low, it'll be a little bit less liquid. So, anyway, do it hot. You want to melt that sucker. And I've almost used this one up. I did about 3 things today. All right, let's see if we've got any glue coming out. All right, all you do is you press this blue trigger, and if it's ready, it'll start to come out. It'll be like in this nice liquefied form. And you want to put enough on there so that you can glue your piece together. And then we take this, just set it on top. Bam, glued. Ta-da, made a cross. And that's how you use a glue gun. That's it. That's how simple it is. And as you can see, I'm picking it up by this side. It's already hardened, ready to go. And very simple. These things come in super handy when you break stuff. You can glue almost anything with this. And here's the multi-temperature crystal clear glue sticks, and bonds great to most craft materials. So I highly recommend it. If you're a crafty person, get one of these crafty glue guns. Okay, so it's only been a couple seconds. As you can see, this thing is glued on there pretty good. I mean, I'm pulling on it pretty hard and it's not coming off. So I highly recommend this glue gun. Go get it. Peace out. Model number 0453. It's made in China.